Hi everyone, Thursday today. And today, normal day in the Philippines, already finished typhoon, good weather. This is Sam Clark, we go with Shira to eat again. This is bus going to Manila International Airport through Skyway. If you see Skyway, it means faster. You can see no new schedule here. Balanga, it's Bataan, Balanga. So also we go to Balanga. Parking is full now. I know this girl who sit here. I will ask. Hi, what is your name?
They know my name.
Sam City Clark. Very good weather today. Why we not show how many days until Christmas? So many decorations here. Good afternoon. Now we again in Singaporean restaurant today. Restaurant is working and many shops is working already. But you remember before we take video here, before during typhoon, all closed. Most of the restaurant is closed. Order the same. Shira like chicken
With rice.
with rice.
Only rice.
For me this one. But I like this. Shira, what is this?
Mochi?
Mochi? Before I eat in China.
I'm mochi and
And price is 497 peso. For before one customer said it's so expensive, but it's for 2 person. It's not for 1 person. For 1 it's expensive, yes, but it's for 2. We eat together.
like share.
Yes, we share. Shira used t-shirt. Shira, show you t-shirt today. This is t-shirt I bought before in the Thailand, in Pattaya. In Pattaya. Do you like?
Of course.
So like. Okay, eat. Now sunset already. We will show to you construction workers what they do in the bridge. Sam Clark entrance. Many students finish study, that's why they walk here, so many. Shira, what name of university here?
And you?
NU? How to say NU? What? Huh? This one, you see. NU. National University, yes, everyone have. Yes, from National University we go. Вот Мэл Куки. Very nice weather today in the Philippines. Shira always sing song if she walk.
Hello. Sometimes if I even I'm walking or not.
So I will show to you.
Let's go.
Take a look. Before this is parking. It's parking before. But now we already close parking and now we want to do something here.
Okay. Take a look in this part. So,
This is Arayat. Who is? Oh, black cat. We also have black cat in our home.
Rent ka muna kasi. Sabihin mo naman kasi kung paano yung post.
Hi.
Hi sir.
Hi. And this parking. But now not easy to park because it's not so many space here in the parking. Take a look, Shaira. So many animals here.
Really?
Yes, you see dog, copy, one copy, name copy, another also, this one also. Take a look in Ace Hardware now discount, Christmas light, solar garden light is 300 peso. Before it's how much before? 900 and now 300 only. And also this one, also 100 lamp only. Take a look, so many discount in the Ace Hardware right now. So this area, we always check here first. For car also. Clearance. Shaira like dog. Shaira, show what we bought today.
This
Solar light.
solar lamp.
Lamp. 300 peso. And today I check in Lazada, same lamp price about 700 peso. I not expected I will buy today. I think maybe in Lazada. But here cheaper, discount today. Also battery. Take a look, this is Ace Hardware. And if you go inside and you can see clearance sale, this one. You see. When I go to Ace Hardware, I always check clearance sale, how much now and what available now. We're going to CDC Park again, walking, because now it's good time, 6 p.m. And we will jogging today with Shaira. Every day we... Shaira want coffee. Shaira want buy first coffee in McDonald's. It's McDonald's. It's important for her. She like coffee. Here is takeout coffee. We already in CDC Park, and I want to again check working cafe, bike cafe or not. I will show to you something also. After take one, take a look. So many trees fall down in the park. Already near bike shop. Buy coffee. Until 9 p.m. Excuse me, it's open. Open. Okay, thank you. Oh, long time I tried to take video here. Let's take a look. This is a bike shop and cafe also. You can buy bikes also. Smell coffee here. A coffee shop outside, I think. Watch Garmin is good. How much? Protein bar. Oh, this is bike 90,000 peso. So you can buy motorcycle, and this one is nice. Same like Aerox. Oh, shoes also. Very popular shoes, this one. Now. And here coffee shop.
Ganda naman sulit eh.
And you can sit and drink coffee outside. See, have CR also. Today not so many people. Old bike. Boots are comfortable here. If you want, you can take shower for 70 peso. Oh, nice. Take a look, this is tea. And another coffee shop. This is backside of the coffee shop. Bike coffee shop. Cafe BOM. Cafe here. And this is two restaurants. Two new restaurants. Already have people. Before I take video here, it's just open new restaurants. But already have people here. Someday we will eat here. Yeah, good. Already popular. Because comfortable, you can sit also in the upstairs. You can sit. Video maybe good, not good quality because I use my phone only. I not take camera, only use phone. Here cafe is full of people. But now Thursday. Weekend, I think. So many people. Everywhere decoration. Take a look, this is a tree fall down in typhoon and fall down to this sign. Take a look. Now take a look also. Trees fall down here. This is near coffee shop, 100 house. So many people in the park and jogging also. When we install decoration after typhoon. Before we remove decoration and again install it. Oh, already new cafe shop and restaurant open. This is cafe shop. Already open. And this is restaurant. Okay, I will check. Bike rent. In front of bike rent. Cafe lounge. It's not open yet. Andante. Third floor is still closed. Also fall down tree here. So many trees is broken. Just finished jogging, very good today. Nice weather, not cold, not hot. How many kilometers, Shaira, you jogging?
2
Ah, you too.
and you 5.
Yeah, I only 5 kilometers because 2 round is 2.5 kilometers. Ashaira 2.5. Look, we prepare for tomorrow. What is this? Marathon maybe. Tomorrow or after tomorrow. Yes. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.